Hey everybody, welcome back. So we are in Svartalfheim, and we need to find a way up to the surface to meet this so-called lady, quote unquote. And then from there, Brock will meet up with us. Brock will meet up with us. Oh, whoops. Nope. Oh,
we
my
may
God.
need to work together on this one.
I know.
There.
Freya.
We keep cooperating, maybe someday it'll be Asgard in flames.
That is not my goal.
Doesn't mean it's not your destiny.
What are you insinuating, Highness?
Not a thing.
I'm gonna save that health. I don't think I really need it right now. Yes, I know how to ignite. I know what to do, Freya. It's just been a few days. I'm a little tired and rusty.
Poor bugger.
Poor
Why would
soul.
he hide in here?
He feared something in these tunnels more than he feared starving.
Hardly seems rational.
Fear seldom is.
Yeah, I don't... Huh. Oh, I see. That's why I was
So,
like,
a
why?
tunnel for liquor and explosives. Little on the nose for dwarven culture, isn't it?
Ridiculing a culture you helped undermine. Classic Aesir.
Oh,
I was wondering why it was
all right.
telling us about
Might have earned that
riding
one.
arrows. Whoops.
That looks flammable.
Ooh, yeah. Is it though?
Well,
We got half
see
down
why it's an
there.
abandoned service tunnel.
That's about. Where's this lead? Oh, hello. Hold on. Okay, so we got a path over there, clearly. Does this do anything that I need it to? Sorry, excuse me, Freya. Huh. Gosh, we're so destructive. Okay, so clearly we have to go this way. Got it.
Incoming!
Ooh. Take that. Alrighty then.
Another oil spill.
Yeah.
A fortuitous oil spill.
That's right. Very fortuitous. Ooh, hello. Got some nice melons and some rotting cheese. Alright. Okay. All my things on
Ram coming at you!
hello. Yeah, I see it. Woohoo! Okay, get out of there.
Behind you, look out!
Son of a... Die. I love doing that.
Kratos. Kratos!
Oh, yes? Hold on, Sindri. How does one get...
Sindri, is that you?
Yes. I need to talk to Kratos.
Okay, that opened up something over there. Yeah, 1 second, Sindri. Just, you know, check.
Please listen. You have to let me take Brock's place. He can't talk to the lady. He mustn't.
No.
Why?
Do not ask again.
But... Oh dear.
I have a feeling this is gonna be bad. What's this now?
It's not his fault Atreus ran off, you know. Or are you just being Brock's champion?
There it is again. You're insinuating and you know it.
Can't the smartest man alive put it together? The Giants conceal a mysterious figure who changes the fate of Ragnarok, and you're oblivious to the only rational candidate. The one who's fought wars against gods and won.
I am not their champion.
Well, we're each entitled to our opinion.
How do I get this?
Where there's a gear like that, there's usually a chain somewhere.
Oh, yeah?
The sigil arrows should work with ice as well.
Oh. I mean, I feel like that's... So am I not aiming for that, or...? Sigil arrows, yeah.
What's that?
Oh, right. Okay, I'm not... Is this just, like, not actually supposed to do anything, or... It just seems super suspicious that it would be like this. I don't know. Hello. Heavy runic. Ooh, let me see this. Oh, cool. So right now we have this. Valdi's anvil, which is 3, 2, and 1. And this one, if we upgraded it, it would be 2 and 4. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, I kind of like this because it's a little bit more everything. And its cooldown is a lot less, so I think we'll stick to what we got. Oh, I see. And this was behind... We were on that side, I think. Oh.
These gates seem to be connected. See if you can break that far fixture.
Oh, son of a biscuit. Oh, I had it.
It's open.
Sick, just in time too. Woohoo!
You're on fire, Kratos. It will fire.
Let's go. Good night.
Well, that was a bloody heartier sort of grim. These won't be easy tunnels for the dwarves to take back.
We'll need to get one of those gates.
What are those gates? What are you looking at? Like this one? Okay.
Ah, we've seen these troughs before, haven't we, brother?
Oh yeah. What? Oh, that's crazy. There's stuff back there. What are you looking at?
I'll wager we can redirect the water to get that wheel turning.
Oh. Not quite. Oh, okay, I see. I was thinking we wanted to
That
stop the
worked.
water from going over there and
Shall
have it
we?
go over here. Okay, but hold on. Turn that. Huh. Guess not. Oh, do you not need it anymore?
This opinion of yours, was that the reason you proposed this alliance? You expect me to lead your armies at Ragnarok? That is Tyr's job, not mine.
It's plain to see Tyr's no war god anymore.
Nor am I. I have left that life behind.
Not killing gods, you haven't. Or else what are we doing in this realm? Forging this weapon? Your choice. You know where it might lead.
I am only protecting
I know. I know. And we both know the place is protecting your child.
Yeah.
Sigil arrows won't work on this.
There we go.
Now, where have they got the third one hidden away?
I know, right? Every time. It's always the third one.
Careful! Those Grimm are possessed by nightmares. They'll be even more dangerous until we stun them.
Don't seem that dangerous. Okay, where is this third?
Incoming! Above you!
Grimm coming at you!
Son of a man.
You're on fire, Kratos! It will pass!
Left side incoming!
Poison at your back!
Alpha! Grimm coming at you!
Last one!
Alrighty then.
Arceus' mother was a giant, isn't that right?
She was one of the Jotnar.
Yes. I didn't mean she was tall as a house. I know not all giants are giants.
Not that there's anything wrong with the disparity in size, or number of limbs, say.
Nothing in the world.
Okay, where's that third one? I haven't forgotten. knocked over. Oh, hello. Okay, this is where we turn it.
There. Now we can open the other gate.
Why is it you ask?
I was just thinking of how Odin antagonized the Giants for generations. Nearly wiped them out of existence twice. Now you may have a role to play in stopping him once and for all. Don't you think it's possible that's what your wife would have wanted?
Do not presume to know what she wanted.
I'm not saying anything you haven't thought. Her secrets haunt every step of your path, wasn't it? Maybe if you talked about your doubts, they wouldn't explode when you talked to your son.
I do not doubt. She knows what I left behind. She would never have asked that of me.
Why would she need to ask? She saw your fate. 3 of Odin's kin dead because of the path she put you on. You don't think she knew exactly what it meant, sending you to Jotunheim?
This is mere conjecture and probably quite enough of it, Highness. We're all making an effort to cooperate here, after all.
You're right. It's not for me to say.
All right, let's get that wheel turning.
Oh, the wheel! Duh, what am I doing? Jesus. Okay, we want it to go.
That's a
that's
start.
That's right, that's right.
Let me know if I can help with that.
Oh, but we want it. Here.
Ah, teamwork.
It's gonna stay, right? Okay.
Oh, bugger. There's 2 of them. And they're angry.
I'm doing it.
You're on fire, Kratos. Come on fire.
Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Get me out.
Right side, incoming!
Okay. That answers my question. Let's go. Not dying today. God, I tried to evade that too. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Of course he dies right when I get up. Of course you have to die after I use my health stone.
Well, who's ready for some fresh air after that? Everyone? Thought so.
It is close. I can feel it.
Okay, where's that third, I don't even remember where. Hold on. What is this here? Okay, so that goes there. Hold on. Goes there. But where's that third, Okay, now we're just going in circles. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna find that chest. Those are so valuable. Just need that C symbol. Sorry about that. Hiding? Oh, it is hiding. Oh, so sneaky. Oh, man. Glad we came back. Oh, sick. 2 of 4. Need 2 more. Alright, sorry. So glad we went back for that. Worth it. Oh, maybe that's just to see the water level a little bit better, maybe? Okay. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Okay, cool. I was expecting the worst. And we need to go this way.
Look, I wasn't trying to provoke you or cast doubt on your marriage. It just seems to me your thoughts haven't caught up to your instincts yet. And I know something.
You know something what? Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. Asgardian ingot. Okay. Oh, whoa, we're climbing. Alright.
When we get out of here, I'll give you some space. Let you think carefully about whether you're ready for what it means to make this weapon. And to use it.
Alright. If you say so. I guess.
Meanwhile, I'll see what else I can learn while we're here.
Alright.
Maybe I'll send a few
Hey, there it is.
Einherjar back to Valhalla for good measure.
Well, you have fun now.
Hey, you made it! About time. I got everything all set here. Now we just gotta push on up to the fort.
Folky!
Excuse me. But where is she going? Okay, hold on.
As long as you know that ain't the way to the forge.
I know, but I know she literally just told me where she's going, but I don't think I can do anything about those yet, right? Alright. I guess we'll come back here some other time. There's that symbol again. Similar to the one we found in Midgard. On the Lake of the Nine. Yeah, we've been through here with Atreus.
You sure did go to pains coming here, busting old Tyr loose. What a prize he turned out to be, huh? Time to steal my kitchen.
Hello. There you are. Sorry.
Waiting on you, Clatterfart. Whenever you want to die, I'm right here. Better take out that net, or it'll be eyeball city out here.
Sorry, they did that. I did not mean to push that. Did not mean to do that. That's fine. Whoops.
These mutts? No wonder they shut the door. Bring it! Show me what you got!
Wow, that was quick. Oh, good old Brock. God, what's behind door number 1? Hold on. Just want to check back here. What's that noise? Oh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, here we go. I knew I heard a jingle. And this is the door we couldn't get to yet. I think somebody made a comment last time we were here.
Hang on. Almost got it. There. Well, come on in, stranger.
Never do get used to that trick.
Locals up ahead. Act civilized and hopefully nobody springs an alarm.
No promises.
No, quit your nattering, you snake-sucking mommy milksops with your protective gear. Ain't you never seen a legend in the flesh before? Well, that ain't no good.
Huh, okay, 1 second.
You see what's wrong here, don't you? Those creepy flying eyeballs made a nest up on the cables. We gotta figure a way up there and clear them all.
Wait. What? Oh, the cables.
Get cattywankers, you hope!
Oh, where's my
Above
thing?
you! Watch out!
I did not mean to do that either.
I'm waiting! What you think you're gonna do here? Kill me? Better men have tried. And women. And dogs.
Oh, God.
Okay, looks like that wheel up there opens the gate. Not that we can reach it or anything.
Not that we can reach it yet.
Well, you could start by burning off this crud.
Whoa. What do you think I was doing?
That's better.
There is something.
No grappling up that way. Why don't you look around and see if there's a way to lift this lift?
I'm too far away. Hold on. There you go.
Now we're talking. Hang on, coming around.
Brother, did you notice the dwarves of the camp were twice as alarmed to see Brock than they were to see you?
They did seem surprised.
All right. Now I can turn this crank and cap that geyser.
Oh, that was a bit weird.
You just give me the signal when you're ready.
Now,
On it!
Oh, I see. Oh, and it's gonna hold for a little bit. Okay. I gotcha.
Well, that got the gate open, but you kind of need to be up here to use it, you dig?
Yeah, I know. Does this thing not come back down?
Well, that got the gate open, but you kind of need to be up here to use it, you dig? He has said. Of course, now the gate's closed.
turn it.
Copy that.
I just want to see. That's gonna make me go back down.
What? If the angle you needed to find was down there, you'd have found it already.
Turn it again.
Aye, aye.
But I think my axe being on that opens the gate.
We need a new vantage point, brother.
Oh,
Once more.
Aye, aye.
wait a minute. Why didn't we go up?
Again.
Now we should go. New vantage point. Oh, hello.
Ah, promising.
Uh-huh. If only certain things weren't in my way. Let me just see. Oh, here we go. Maybe?
There you go. Right
I
on
just
the
didn't do the
money.
blue thing. And when that
Gate's
shuts,
open.
there we
Come
go.
on through and get those cables.
That was a little bit laggy. That was weird. Well, hopefully I don't have to go back that way. We just locked everything back up.
Well, I think they see us.
Okay, we're good.
Look out! Up above you! Take that nest out so the thing can move. That's why we're up here, remember? Finally!
Nice.
Now we can ride on up to the forge. Come on! The lady's waiting. Hey, got another riddle for you. What gets bigger the more you take away from it?
Well, let's see. Something abstract, I expect. Appetite? No, that doesn't work.
Stump the stump.
Oh, isn't that clever? Bam what?
Oh, my allergies are terrible. Alright. Let's go.
Ooh, that's brisk. Think I'll grab some for the lady?
Grab some what? The wind?
No, you idiot. The sound of the wind.
Wait, grab some?
Oh, watch and learn. See? Dwarven magic's all about the intangibles. The relationship between the stuff what you can touch and what you can't. It's about understanding.
Understanding what?
The nature of a thing's more important than the form of the thing.
Huh.
Hang on. I smell trouble.
Oh, I'm sure.
Hey! Calling all pecker drip! They're behind you!
So this lady then?
The Lady of the Forge. Ain't no more magical creature in this whole realm. Why, I've been waiting for my chance to meet her since I was knee-high to a Noken.
Wait, meet her.
But
I thought
Cinder
you...
would never have it. Said I was too uncouth. But today's finally
Oh,
the
look at
day.
this.
Whoa! I got goosebumps on my bunions.
Holy moly.
Barbara, I've never seen you so reverent. Are you nervous?
What? Shut up. No, fuck you.
I wonder if we're gonna get access to these. Finally. This is beautiful. My goodness. And the Lord of the Rings music in the background. Nice.
Ah!
19 of 40.
Go on, Pasty. Turn the crank. Let's do this.
Alright. Just taking
It does
in the
not
sights,
work.
man.
Huh? What is it this time? Out of the way. Let me look.
Don't break it. You haven't even met her yet.
Oh, fuck no. Do I gotta fix everything in this dang city my own self? I'm gonna need a couple of things. Follow me.
Alright.
Yeesh, if this place ain't in some disrepair. It's disrespectful, I tell you. I need that axe of ours to go kiss that material out yonder. The spiky silvery stuff. You'll figure it out.
Spiky silvery stuff.
This lady, what does she do?
Well, we'll both see soon enough, won't we?
This stuff?
I know this, though. If we're real lucky,
stuff?
she'll give us her blessing. Doesn't
more
give
blue
them to
than
every piece. So once
silvery.
she does, there's something to behold.
The axe?
Well, that particular process was a whole nother cluster hump. Maybe sometime I'll spin you that tale.
Dude, it bent my axe. Look at the tip of my axe now. Was it always like that? It's all bent and weird.
Faye's the only one who ever got my highbrow sense of humor. Damn fine woman she was. Apart from her taste in men, of course. Now I need a chunk of that bronze material over by all that busted up wood. Back in those days, I'd get so caught up in trying to be the best that I'd work till I plumb dropped. Time goes by and there's less to
This one
prove.
now. See, this one looks
You learn
more
to
silver
keep
than
your
that one,
own
but I don't know.
pace. Save your extra effort for when it's
Maybe I'm crazy.
like when you finally get to show the lady who you are.
That perfect cut.
Wow, Goldie, you sure did give up on that riddle in a hurry.
I give up nothing. Gets bigger the more you take away, is it?
That's right.
Sorted. It's desire.
Nope.
What do you mean, no? Desire only grows when you take away the thing you desire. All right, it's not perfect, but let's hear your answer.
Oh, you won't get it out of me that easy.
What is that?
All right, let's get back to business.
Bigger than
One more
all
crank
you
to turn and it's on to the
chicken
forge.
wings.
I see no forge.
You don't see the form of a forge, but we're going to the nature of one.
What?
I was almost following him for a moment there.
We're good. Crank it.
Excuse me?
Where's the forge?
Oh god, great.
Here she comes.
Wait, that's her? Oh, no way.